Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today I bring for you beautiful video. So I hope really you will like it. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the wall decoration, you can see the black color, the wall maybe decoration, the small plants, the pictures are all beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the purple color lights and all, and the mirror in the middle, beautiful. That side the bed, beautiful decoration and design, looking very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the on the floor roof, you can see beautiful LED lights, red LED lights, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the candles and all, and the papers, beautiful. The olden times system, that looking very beautiful system. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the plant salon and the lights. You can see LED on the wall, and the bed also sides. You can see LED lights and all, beautiful lights, looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, you can see ball, beautiful, and the lighting and the shining is very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the red color LED lights, and the bed, you can see beautiful bed and all, looking very good. The photos, the pictures, this is also very beautiful. MRVEM marble, very beautiful decoration and design. The table, they can do any makeup for girls, maybe this one. This one also very beautiful. You can see the red color LED lights, and the up floor also you can see beautiful lights and all good things, and the photos and all, it is there beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the purple pink color lights and all, and the lamp you can see in the black color wall, beautiful wall and all. This also you can see the LED lights and the sun. You can see on the picture, you can see the bed and the wall also very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the dragon picture on the wall. You can see they put the picture and all, good decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the LED lights on the floor. You can see the red color lights and all, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the red color lights, and the window you can see outside green color view, beautiful view, good design. This one also very beautiful. You can see the TV screen, backside the LED, beautiful lights, and the wall you can see white color, and the frames are there, photo frames, beautiful photo frames. This one also very beautiful. You can sit here and enjoy with friends, families and all, and the outside best view you will get ever. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, you can see, and you can see the coil and all and everything, very beautiful. The mirror, beautiful. This also you can see the red color LED lights, the bed and the wall also very beautiful, good decoration and design. This one also very beautiful. You can see very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care.